Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your work location in the Bus Times application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the Journey Planner button at the bottom of the page. And then here look for the work location button and just click on the set button. And as you can see, you can choose it from the map. You can set your current location or just search for it. So for example, Oxfordshire, and just click on it and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.